I believe we owe it to our children and young people to provide them with the best possible environment for them to learn in, and of course for our teachers to teach in. The 21st Century Schools programme represents the largest single investment in our schools and colleges since the 1960s. The first phase of the programme has seen £1.4 billion being invested in those new buildings, and from April of this year we'll see a further £2.3 billion being invested. The buildings we're providing for children, young people and educators are truly spectacular. As soon as you walk through the door, you're filled with a sense of confidence, high expectations and a determination to deliver the very best. An important aspect of the programme is inclusivity, making sure our buildings are fit for purpose and can deliver for all of our learners, including those with additional learning needs. By building these new buildings, it also has enabled us to incorporate the very latest technology for educational delivery. We've also been able to respond positively to the growing demand for Welsh medium education, providing new facilities, ensuring that children don't have to travel so far to access education through the medium of Welsh. And these facilities will of course help us meet the government's target for 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050. If we're to deliver our national mission of closing the attainment gap, it means we need to put investment in those places that sometimes in the past maybe have felt they've been left behind. Our investment in these schools is not just an investment in children and education, it's an investment in communities.
The difference between the old school and the new school is crazy. There's so many more facilities and it's such a calmer and more comfortable environment to learn in.
This college is about giving young people more opportunities.
Mae ysgol yn mynd I helpu fi I gael swydd neu yna a sgiliau eraill dwi eisiau gyflawni mewn bywyd 100%, de.
Dwi'n meddwl mae Ysgol Caerhyllen wedi helpu fi siarad lot mwy o Cymraeg.
This school is very fit for our future and built for it.